I was given this Milwaukee Hammer Drill to try and get it running, get it fixed. It gave me some surprises. Step 1, see if it works. Step 2, plug it in. Step 3, it still doesn't work. Using a voltometer, a T20 star bit, a small screwdriver, and a driver that, well, wasn't ready to go yet. Timing was not quite right there. And the patient. I did that. I'm fast here. 10 seconds, I've got this all apart. Just watch.
Whoa. Simple. Are we getting juice up the wire, or is the wire bad? Can you see that? Oh, that's good. So this wire comes into here. That's good. This wire goes to here. I pull the trigger. Pop this out of here. Ooh. That wire just pulled right out of that connection. You see, this wire right here pulled out of this connection right here. Yeah, got it to go back in. Is that enough to fix this puppy? That may have done it. That wire coming loose may have been the problem. No way. Well, there's only one way to find out for sure. Nah, that didn't fix it. That didn't fix it.
Still nothing.
Well, I found the problem. Those are the brushes. They weren't in place. Neither one. They were sitting down inside there like they fell out. Let's see if we can prop this out. Come on now.
I can replace these brushes in just 40 seconds. Watch. I'm fast.
Now it should fit right. Right? Yeah, within reason. Alright. Just out of jollies, I'm going to tie a few of these in just to keep things safe. Just to hold it together. Well, bad news. The drive gear is shot.
Thanks for watching.